Top news headlines. 2 more tests positive for COVID-19 in Leh and Pune. Congress leader Digvijay Singh detained in Bengaluru. And unfinished repair work on Crichton Street Road triggers protests. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. You're watching News Today. I'm JESSIA now giving you the news in details. India reported its third death from the COVID-19 pandemic yesterday. The number of COVID-19 cases tested positive in India is 145 and there are 128 active cases. According to World Health Organization, as of March 17, there were 184,976 confirmed COVID-19 cases and 7,529 deaths in 159 countries. Meanwhile, a woman with a travel history to France and the Netherlands has tested positive from COVID-19, taking the total tally of positive novel coronavirus cases in Pune district to 18 and the state's tally of positive cases to 42. A 34-year-old Jawan of the Indian Army in Leh tested positive for COVID-19, making it the first case in the armed forces. He contracted it from his father, who returned from Iran recently, a media report said. Congress leaders D.K. Shivakumar and Digvijay Singh have been detained in Bengaluru, where they had gone to meet the 16 rebel Congress MLAs from Madhya Pradesh, a media report said. As the political crisis in Madhya Pradesh, Supreme Court has postponed the hearing of a plea filed by Congress. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Kamal Nath lashed out the BJP today after senior Congress leader D.K. Shivakumar, Digvijay Singh and others were detained by the police in Bengaluru when they were trying to meet rebel MLAs of the Congress from Madhya Pradesh. In a series of tweets, Kamal Nath said the BJP is behaving in a dictatorial manner and that its actions are like those of Adolf Hitler. Attacking the BJP, Kamal Nath said the entire nation is witness how attempts are being to unseat a democratically elected government. Irate protesters today blocked the Crichton Street Road in Imphal East against the alleged failure of the concerned authority to complete repair work on the road, now lying in bad condition. Commuters face difficulty due to road blockade. One of the protesters said that road mishaps have increased along Crichton Street Road. He urged the government to take necessary actions to ensure completion of the repair work immediately.
Narendra Modi ki yam phajaba swasthya bharat mission gain masa luma nan bagi marak sida akoi swai sida dana hanta ki laibe BJP sarkar jina upun bijaraga akoi je na ek angang mayam ama hanu hana mayam ama hat ka bi mongda sahi tara je he irang tokdri bok ta da ba aduna ngasi je hongnaru bu naidana miyam jina thola aga sigi mamang da uri ba lambi je athu bada ngasi nongni ni sida sembiu natraga di akoi matam kaktana mafam ji thingjan jagane haiba adugi wakhal londu da ngasi mayam je hongnaru naidana thola aga lambi je thingi bani.
A 5-day-long training program for supervisors and enumerators for the 2021 census exercise in Thoubal and Kaching district was kicked off yesterday at the District Election Counting Hall, Thoubal. Altogether, 23 field trainers are taking part in the program, which will continue till 21st of March. The training program is jointly organized by Directorate of Census Operation, Government of Manipur and District Administration, Thoubal. Kangla will remain closed with immediate effect till March 31st as a precautionary measure against coronavirus. This was informed in a press release from the office of Kangla Board yesterday. All Manipur Ethnical Socio-Cultural Organization, AMESCO, has condemned the decision of titular King of Manipur, Leisemba Sanajauba, to contest the March 26 Rajya Sabha election as BJP candidate from Manipur. Through a press release, Amasco described the decision as unfortunate and a threat to the existing culture and tradition of Manipur. The Sana Konung Thangta Loisheng and its associated groups have taken a stand to extend support to every decision taken by titular King of Manipur, Lesemba Sana Jauba, who is set to contest the upcoming Rajya Sabha election. The decision came following a meeting at the Uttara Shanglan, Imphal, according to a press release. People's Action for National Democratic Movement has accused Director of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, RIMS, Imphal of violating the recruitment norms of Ministry of Health Services and Family Welfare. In a press release, Pandam also said that RIMS has failed to respond to an RTI file a month back regarding the matter. CPI Manipur State Council decided to give more impetus on strengthening of organization and political strategy of Tautong area during the annual CPI Tautong branch conference at Lamshang Kaitel on March 16, said Assistant Secretary of CPI Manipur State Council, M. Joykumar Luang, in a press release today. The Cookie Students Organization KSO Mumbai expressed shock over the inhuman and barbaric act allegedly committed by Tangkhul miscreants who burned down Chasset village of Kamjong district on March 16. In a press release, the student body also strongly condemned the police for failing to act when the incident was happening under their nose. KSO appealed to the Manipur government to book all persons involved in the incident apart from providing compensation to the victims and adequate security to cookies in Chasset village. Manipur Naga People's Front MNPF has condemned the March 16 Chasset incident. Unidentified people torched nearly 200 houses at Chasset village under Kamjong district following a feud over land. Now we have the sports news. The Roland Garros or the French Open tennis tournament has been postponed till September. According to media reports, the French Tennis Federation announced a decision yesterday. Earlier, the Grand Slam tournament was scheduled at Paris on May 24. This is the first instance of a Grand Slam tournament being affected by coronavirus that has spread around the world. The next major tennis championship currently on the calendar is Wimbledon, which is slated to start in late June in England. Now we have local newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Peace Committee formed to settle inter-village feuds. India's death toll at 3 as another COVID-19 patient dies in Mumbai. Cookie in P Manipur tax relief materials to Chasad. Chasad arson. Amuko points finger at AR police. The People's Chronicle. State seizes issuing ILP passes over COVID-19 fear. Chief Minister inspects old airfield. Moods relocation of military camp. Centre reviews COVID-19 situation in Northeast. Cookie in P Manipur Amuko blames security forces over Kamjong conflict. Manipur Naga People's Front condemns Tangkhul Naga Long appeals for peace. Imphal Free Press. Normalcy returns in Kamjong district. Section 144 CRPC remains in effect. State government to take over Koyangai airfield for public purpose, says Chief Minister Biren. Fake encounter case. Accepted closure report directed for reconsideration. Manipur Mail. Chief Minister to press for moving away military camp from Koyangai. Third coronavirus death in India. Caste or economic reservation policy in private sector. Reboy postpones house listings. NPR exercise.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Two more tests positive for COVID-19 in Leh and Pune. Congress leader Digvijay Singh detained in Bengaluru. unfinished repair work on Crichton Road triggers protests. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.